The circular intelligent magnetic drive conveyor system is suitable for diverse production scenarios. Across multiple industries, including 3C assembly, semiconductors, lithium-based new energy, logistics, biomedicine, food, and daily necessities. It offers high speed, precision, and flexible production. The system's modular design and flexible assembly enable complex path setups, enhancing component interchangeability and versatility on the production line. Upgrading or remodeling only requires reassembly, allowing for seamless addition of processes or workstation configuration changes. Faulty stations can be shielded, making the line assembling like building blocks. With its single rotor serving as a moving axis that can stop or start at any time and position, achieving speeds of up to 5 meters per second, it can handle high-precision positioning with plus or minus 5 m repeatability and a maximum acceleration of 10 g. The system enables intelligent and flexible production by synchronously or asynchronously controlling line rotors, integrating production steps. Different layout types can be designed based on the operating environment: circular, runway, square, complex fork, swing, or mixed. With high-rigidity worktables capable of KN-level loads, it easily integrates with industrial robot execution units for multi-axis linkage control. This integration boosts production efficiency, cuts costs, and overcomes production bottlenecks.